Good morning students. In previous video, we learned about objects around us. Today, we will learn about properties of materials. Students, in this chapter, we will learn about appearance, hardness, soluble or insoluble, transparency. So, let us start. Appearance. Students, to know more about appearance, let us do an activity. First of all, we collect small pieces of different materials: paper, cardboard, wood, copper wire, aluminum sheet, chalk. Students, do any of these appear shiny? Then we separate the shiny materials into a group. Now we cut each material into two pieces and look at the freshly cut surfaces. We find that the freshly cut surfaces of some of these materials appear shiny. Then we include these objects also in the group of shiny materials. Students, materials that have such luster are usually metals. Iron, copper, aluminum, and gold are examples of metals. Some metals often lose their shine and appear dull because of the action of air and moisture on them. We therefore notice the luster only on their freshly cut surfaces. Hardness. Students, materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are called soft, while some other materials which are difficult to compress are called hard. For example, cotton or sponge is soft while iron is hard, soluble or insoluble. Students, let us take two glasses and fill each one of them about 2/3 with water and add a small amount of sugar to the first glass and sand to the second glass. Then we stir the contents of each of them with a spoon and wait for a few minutes. Then we observe what happens to the substance added to water. We notice that sugar have completely disappeared or dissolved in water. We say that sugar is soluble in water, and sand do not mix with water and do not disappear even after we stir for a long time. So, sand is insoluble in water. Students, water plays an important role in the functioning of our body because it can dissolve a large number of substances. Now, let us revise what we have learned today by solving some questions. Question number 1. Materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are called. Option A, soft. Option B, hard. Option C, soluble. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, soft. Question number 2. Sugar is option A, soluble in water. Option B, insoluble in water. Option C, cannot say. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, soluble in water. Practice makes perfect. Students, these are some homework questions that you need to do at your home. I hope that you will solve these questions correctly. Thank you.